What's up, Silars family? Namaste and greeting from Sushi Man Santosh. In this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how to cut sashimi using 4 different Japanese techniques named Hira-zukuri, Hiki-zukuri, Usu-zukuri, and Sogi-Zukuri. Let's go. Firstly, you should have the teju. Always try to use the teju. Teju means equal quantity of water and vinegar. So it will kill the bacteria and it will prevent bacteria because we are going to play with the raw fish. There is the cure and sushi and sashimi grade salmons. I'm gonna clean this black part firstly. If you don't know how to cut and how to fillet salmons and how to cure and how to make sushi and sashimi grade fish salmon, you can check link on my description box. I'm gonna put there, okay? Or you can visit my YouTube channel. There you will find lots of things. For example, it should be almost 4 finger. That side is the very good, but that side is not perfect size. So for example, if I'm cutting like this way, the sashimi slice will be short. So I can cut this way, in a cross way, you know. So the sashimi will be in a perfect shape. And other things is, always we have to cut the sashimi opposite direction of this drain. For example, that is the drain, as you can see here. So we cannot cut that side because it is the same direction of the drain. So salmon block can the block and the sashimi slice cannot be good. So we have to cut always in the opposite direction. For example, that is going that side, so I'm going to cut directly in opposite direction. Normally to make the sashimi, we will use different varieties of fish. For example, we can use the katsu. Katsu means the bonito, and maguro. Maguro means the tuna, and sake, salmons, and thai means pargo, shiba, shibrim, and also you can use ingia, that means the eel fish. Squid, lula also. We will use different variety of fish to make the sashimi. So if the fish is sliding, we will use the Hiki-zukuri techniques to cut the sashimi. Sliding means it will be sleepy. If you have the fish is sleepy, so it will be easy to secure. For example, to cut the squid, we cannot cut Hira-zukuri techniques. Squid should be cut with the Hiki-zukuri techniques. Hiki-zukuri means, firstly I will cut in that side. That will go for the another purpose. We can use inside the sushi roll, for the temaki, for the top of the gunkans. Now Hiki-zukuri means I will cut and leave there. I will cut and leave there. Now I will cut and leave there. I will cut and leave there. Try to use all the knife, all the side of knife. For example, here to here, here to here, okay? We'll cut and leave, we'll cut and leave. For example, I'm cutting it at a 90 degree, yes, and securing with this finger. Yes, it's called Hiki-zukuri. It should be a 8 to 10 mm, not more than 8 to 10 mm, okay? Thickness should be not more than 8 to 10 mm because it should be eaten size. That's sashimi. I'm gonna put here. At last, I will show you how to plate. Now I'm gonna teach you Hira-zukuri. Hira-zukuri, for the Hira-zukuri, we'll cut and take another side. That means the visible of the salmon edge will look clearly. For example, I'm gonna cut this and I'm gonna put here. And the knife will be a little bit that side. When you are cutting the Hira-zukuri, the knife is straight. Or in the cross way straight. But for the Hira-zukuri, I'm going to use the knife that way. Yes. Yes. That means the knife will be like this and we'll cut here. That means the edge of the fish will look like very good and it will be clear vision. It's called Hira-zukuri. It will be also same as like the Hiki-zukuri techniques. 8 to 10 mm, not more than 8 to 10 mm, okay? Thickness should be not more than 8 to 10 mm because it should be eaten size. Now I'm gonna teach you the Sogi-zukuri. Sogi-zukuri means the techniques of the cutting nigiri slice. Same techniques when we are going to make the nigiri sushi. The Sogi-zukuri techniques is making nigiri slice. I have here the white fish, that is the shibrim. Always we have to cut the opposite direction of the drains. Try to use all the side of knife. And here. That is the Sogi-zukuri. The size of the Sogi-zukuri, it should be like 2 to 3 mm and 5 centimeter long. Nice. Hiki-zukuri, Hira-zukuri, and Sogi-Zukuri. We will cut more thin than the Sogi-Zukuri. It's called Usu-zukuri techniques. For the Usu-zukuri techniques, first of all, I'm gonna clean this part. If you want, you can use, that is the fatty part of the fish. Doesn't matter, but some client will think, oh, the fish is already spoiled, but it's not spoiled. Let's go for the Usu-zukuri techniques, okay? We'll cut to 1 to 2 mm. That means we will cut very thin slice, 5 centimeter long, not more than 5 centimeter. For example, I'll cut that side. Very thin, yeah? Nice. Too much thin. Yes, it's called Usu-zukuri techniques. That means we have here 4 different types of sashimi cutting techniques: Hiki-zukuri, Hira-zukuri, Sogi-zukuri, and Usu-zukuri. Let's go for the plating. In a Japanese, what they are doing, they have their own meaning. For example, they will think when they are making the sashimi plate, for example, that is the nabo, that is the radish daikon I mix with the carrot. We will use this is as a salad. When we are eating all the raw fish, it should be a digest. Wasabi to kill the bacteria and give the more flavor, and soya for the give the extra level of textures, and with little bit salty flavor. That is the tissuma. Tissuma used for the as a salad. Seems like a mountain. If you want to learn how to cut slice of this cucumber, you can check link on my description box. I'm gonna put there. Normally they use the Japanese cucumber, but this is the local cucumber, so it doesn't matter to make the slice and to give the extra looks, and also client can use this as a salad. Now I can put same like that way. Nice. That is the Hira-zukuri. This one's I'm gonna make the flour. The plating techniques, every chef they have their own techniques, so you can imagine yourself, okay? Also, you can use this flour. Carrot sakura flour, and I have here some starch also. I can use these kinds of starch. Use just a little bit of wasabi and use a little bit ginger pickles. To give the extra looks, you can use the tobiko, you can use the caviar. It's depend on you, okay? I'm using here black tobiko. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a good day. And if you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos about sushi, sashimi, and many more. And if you really like this video, I'll be happy if you're able to share with your sushi lovers, friends, family, and relatives. Thank you. Have a good day.